Hey guys, it is Jessica Hicks here, corporate recruiter, and I am back with another video. As I do weekly, I am here with the companies that are actively hiring right now this month of November. And of course, if you are not already subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give me a like on this video if you enjoy the content and find it helpful, and definitely leave me a comment. All right, so first up on the list is a company I mentioned in a past video, General Motors, otherwise known as GM. They are a large car transportation manufacturing company based in Detroit. They are primarily hiring engineers and, more so folks that will work in their manufacturing centers. So if you're in that type of realm, definitely check out General Motors. Next up on the list is Thermo Fisher Scientific. Now this is a biotech and pharmaceuticals company. They're hiring primarily in California, and they're hiring a lot of marketing, technical, and engineering type of roles. So if you're in any of those fields, definitely check them out. They're also hiring for some specific niche scientific roles, as well as customer service reps. Next on the list is McDonald's. Now, I don't personally eat McDonald's food, but fast food is still thriving right now, and McDonald's is one of the companies that are hiring more. And they're hiring a lot in Chicago, Illinois, Bern, Indiana, and also Albany, New York. But there's also other locations not listed here that they're hiring. A lot of the jobs are obviously, people that are going to be a part of the McDonald's crew in the restaurants. However, they're also hiring general managers. They are hiring people that can run different departments, as well as folks that have digital experience, specifically in customer engagement. So there's a couple different management type of roles. So if you're looking for a job right now, definitely check out McDonald's. Next up is a restaurant I have never been to myself, but apparently they are in a hiring surge. They're seeing more demand. Potbelly Sandwich Works. They're also in the fast food space, and they're hiring pretty much across the country, specifically in Virginia, Michigan, and Minnesota. And they're hiring restaurant managers, restaurant associates, but they also have openings for like senior counsel and different management as well. Next up is Aflac. We all know Aflac. If you're in the United States, we have seen that commercial of the duck saying Aflac. They're an insurance company, and they're hiring some different types of consultants, mainly benefits consultants and insurance agents. So definitely check out Aflac. Next up is Valvoline. Valvoline is the, auto repair, oil change service that most of us know of. They are hiring pretty much across the country, specifically in the Northeast, New Jersey, Connecticut, those locations. They're hiring for technicians, they're hiring for car wash attendants, they're hiring really for anything in the car maintenance area. Next is Sofi, Sofi Lending. You may have seen some of their advertisements lately. They're in online lending. They are looking for some different management roles. They're also looking for a lot of tech, specifically data scientists and engineers. They're also looking for designers and people that can focus on product design specifically. They're also looking for operations and business strategy managers. All right, so Sun Communities is next on the list. They are a real estate company. They're hiring all across Florida, and particularly they have a lot of part-time positions. So if you do need something that's more part-time, definitely look into this company if you are in the Florida area. They're looking for support attendants, they're looking for bar attendants, they're looking for sales reps. They're pretty much looking across the board. Some of the positions, again, are seasonal part-time, others are regular full-time. So just keep an eye out on them when you're on the job site. Next up is Intuit, also more known as TurboTax. So it is almost tax season, right? So they are hiring. Now, one thing I like about Intuit is they have a lot of remote job openings, specifically for, of course, with it being almost tax season, they're looking for tax preparers. So if you have a CPA, you might want to check out Intuit. They're also looking for folks that can just work seasonal, and it sounds like there could be some more full-time roles with them, but majority of them are going to be seasonal, but you'll also be able to work remotely. All right, so next up on the list is a computer hardware and software company called Quality Test. They are apparently in a hiring surge. They hire really across the US, so primarily California, Georgia, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They're looking for engineers, looking for a lot of different engineers. So if you are in the technical or engineering space, check them out. They're also looking for business analysts as well, which are more so the liaison between the technical teams and the business teams. So that's it for Quality Test. Next up is Motional, which is another transportation and manufacturing company. They're hiring in Massachusetts and Pennsylvania. And they're looking for research scientists. They're also looking for software engineers. Specifically, they're looking for folks that have machine learning experience. They're also looking for program managers and purchasing managers. So if you're looking and you're in any of those spaces, you definitely want to look at Motional. Next up is another company that is in a hiring surge, Service Champions. Now they're in general repair and maintenance. It sounds like they will do maintenance on any kind of HVAC, heating, cooling systems. And they are looking for folks mainly in California. So a lot of the positions are sales representatives. They're looking for some different field service technicians, again, working on HVAC. It does seem like they have some entry-level positions. So if you are newer to getting certified or newer tech, definitely look out for that. And then if you can actually train others, or you're maybe a coordinator, you can find some openings with technical trainers or coordinators there too. And the other thing is they do have a call center, and they're looking for agents for the call center as well. Next up is Zim Integrated Shipping Services. They are in the hiring surge. Their industry is shipping, and they are looking for equipment coordinators, managers, also looking for some human resources and administration roles as well, and some inside sales coordinators. Next on the list is Fairway Independent Mortgage. They are in the lending space, and they have a lot of remote openings, specifically in banking. So they need people for pre-closing. They need just different types of closers, folks that have mortgage experience, auditors, coordinators, loan coordinators, and those type of positions. Next up is Sprout Social. It is an internet company. They are hiring for remote positions. They're also hiring some roles that are specific to Seattle and Chicago and some other locations. They're looking for engineering managers. They're looking for customer success managers, and they're looking for business development representatives and more. So they're kind of on a bit of a hiring surge right now. Next up is NVIDIA. This is a computer hardware gaming type of company. They are hiring a lot of engineers. So if you're an engineer and for some reason you've been on the job search, check out NVIDIA. And they're also specifically looking for folks that are skilled in AI or artificial intelligence. Next up on the list is Fast Enterprises. They're an IT services company, and they have been hiring a lot of different technical roles, but specifically I want to highlight that they have been hiring interns. So if you're a recent grad, you'll want to check out Fast Enterprises, especially if you have experience or you're looking to get experience within help desk or system administration or any of those type of roles. Next on the list is Ringcentral. They're an internet company. They are looking for a lot of different management level positions, but they're also looking for creative project manager interns as well. So check them out if you are looking for an internship. They also do have a marketing internship as well coming up. And they do have a couple different engineering internships as well. PSAU is on a hiring surge. Apparently, they're an investment banking and asset management company. They're hiring across the U.S. In specific states. A lot of their roles are open engineers, product managers, and experience managers are the highlights on them. And the last company on the list is Pinterest, one of my favorite social sites for home decor. They are looking in a lot of different locations. So if you are not in the United States, you can probably find a job at Pinterest, and if you are in the United States, you can probably find a job at Pinterest. They are hiring within the US, specifically San Francisco. They're also hiring in Toronto, Canada, and Sao Paulo, Brazil, as well as Dublin, Ireland. So Pinterest is in a hiring surge. It seems like they've seen a lot of demand due to, you know, the current climate. They're looking for machine learning engineers, shopping content, mining engineer, managers. They're looking for web engineers. They're looking for interns that are software engineering interns. They're also looking for research interns, creative strategists, and more. So if you are looking for a job, definitely check out Pinterest. All right, so I was really talking fast, but I wanted to make this video a short one, although I had about 20 jobs to go through. So there you have it. Those are the companies hiring right now. All right, so if you found this video helpful, again, give me a thumbs up, like the video. It is free 99. And if you have any questions for me, leave me a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.